Hi Scappy friends, welcome back to my channel. Virginia here with a new project to share with you. And today I'm going to create a spread in my Cocoa Daisy Traveler's Notebook using these beautiful pictures of a birthday party with a bunch of friends and the family of a friend of mine, the birthday girl. And we had a very beautiful and fun day with lunch together, and then we even went to go-karting. So it was really fun, and I wanted to document this picture of the whole group. We are all together there, and I printed it large enough to fit in one full page of my traveler's notebook, and I'm going to put it on the white side of this spread, next to this beautiful, colorful gingham pattern. And my idea, as soon as I saw it, was immediately to stitch along the border of some of these lines. So now I'm doing some holes, and as you can see here, that's what I did. I run stitched along a couple of lines, and then I made some cross stitching on some other stripes, let's say, parts of this gingham, and I really loved the result. I love the texture and the colors that this stitching adds. Now I want to create a sort of column with the die cuts. These are the die cuts included in the Autumn Whimsy kits of Cocoa Daisy. And I'm selecting a bunch of them to create a line of die cuts to put in the middle between the stitched lines. And my idea is actually to stitch all of them together as well. But first, as you can see, I'm going to attach them together with some glue. So I will have in the end a column of die cuts all together, and it's going to be easier to move it around. So that's basically what I'm doing here. And there were a lot of these die cuts with sentences in the collection, in the kits. So I chose a few that could go well with this story. Now I'm going to attach the last one. I added, as you can see, a couple of labels, so I can put the date and also a little bit of journaling. So I'm going to place it there in the middle, as I was saying. So I'm going to stitch with some embroidery floss, some blue embroidery floss. So I'm poking holes, and then I will make the thread pass through them. Something very easy. Actually, of course, there's no need for this stitching. It's just an extra detail, which I really love. I like, as I said, the texture of stitching, and I enjoy stitching in general because I find it very, I don't know, relaxing and enjoyable. This indeed was very fast, so now I'm going to make a note to secure my stitching, and then I can glue down this group, this big cluster of embellishments. And actually I'm going to glue it down only in two places, on top and on the bottom, because I want to this cluster to be a little bit flexible, let's say, not really stiff and attached to the page. I added a staple on top, and then later I will cut the excess of that circle on the top. Now it's time to tape down my picture. And by chance, if you can see, I'm right in the middle of the picture. So I thought that it was nice to add this arrow that pointed down on me, actually. And now, as I said, I'm going to cut this excess in the circle. And my page is complete. I really love the effect of the stitching. I think that is simple but beautiful. It takes some time, but it's wonderful. I hope you like as well. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and consider subscribing to my channel if you are not yet a subscriber. Thank you very much and see you in my next video. Bye bye!